How to turn on autoplay on YouTube mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable autoplay within the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the YouTube app, then select You in the bottom menu. Once you get to You, select the gear in the top right to open up the settings, then scroll down to video and audio preferences and select playback. Now there's two settings we can turn on. Autoplay to next video. So once a video is ended, it'll autoplay another video if you want to turn that on. You can also turn on playback and feeds, and this will give you a preview of videos as you're scrolling through YouTube, either in the home feed or search, things like that. So if you have it on auto on, it'll always happen when you're going through videos, or if you have it on Wi-Fi only, it'll only work on Wi-Fi. So you can go ahead and turn that on, and then when you go back to YouTube, you'll notice the videos will start playing on the home screen automatically, and when you play a video, it'll go to the next one once it's done. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.